والصلاة والسلام على سيد الأنبياء والمرسلين محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا صدق الله العظيم. Honorable President, distinguished judges and esteemed audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, I stand before you to talk about on the topic of importance of unity. Dear intellectual, unity plays a vital role in Islam, bringing together Muslims from diverse backgrounds and culture under the common bond of faith. Islam emphasizes the importance of unity among its followers, promoting a sense of brotherhood and sisterhood. This unity is not only shared beliefs, but also on the principles of compassion, tolerance, and mutual respect. By fostering unity, Islam encourages Muslims to support and uplift one another, creating a strong and cohesive community. Dear listeners, no doubt, unity and consensus has a miraculous role in developing a nation and achieving their higher goals. The success of any nation is concealed in the mutual unity and harmony between its members. Muslims' unity is a major and undeniable problem of the time. The increasing sectarian ethnocentrism has spotted and blemished the fundamental Islamic teachings. Today's Muslims are suffering from numerous problems, and the basic reasons for their plight are sectarian hatred, creed, prejudices, lust for power, intolerance, and many other materialistic interests. All these things have combined to confirm falling for Muslims, which deprive them of their honor, dignity, and power. On the other hand, the enemies of Muslims are united and they are fully aware that their strength lies in the weakness of Muslims. Hence, they are engaged in making conspiracies to divide Muslims. Historically, it is proved that sowing germs of disunity and disintegration among Muslims has been a very old and effective tool of Jews and Christians. Whereas the Holy Quran wants us to be united and to remain aloof from them, Allah the Almighty also commands Muslims to observe patience and to retain unity among them by following the principles of piety and brotherhood. It is possible only when Muslims involved in fraternity with broad-mindedness. At the same time, it remains the core responsibility of Muslims' organization to play their role in this connection. Dear listeners, all Muslims, scholars and intellectuals should be aware of any risk from common enemy and should recognize such elements. Today, Ummah is posed to serious threats in the terms of politics, economics and culture. The enemies are trying to create doubts in the beliefs of Muslim young generation by cultural invasion. So that's why focus on your common issues and problems. Allah the Almighty mentioned in the Holy Quran, وَإِنَّ هَذِهِ أُمَّتُكُمْ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً وَأَنَا رَبُّكُمْ فَاعْبُدُونَ. Surely, this is the fraternity of your faith, a single faith. I am your Lord, so worship me. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says at another place, وَإِنَّ هَذِهِ أُمَّتُكُمْ أُمَّةً وَاحِدَةً وَأَنَا رَبُّكُمْ فَاتَّقُونَ. Surely, this is your creed, a single creed. I am your Lord, so fear me. Imam Ibn Kathir rahmatullah alayhi gives an explanation of this verse. O community of Prophet, your religion and community is one. This is to invite to worship one Allah who has no partner. Therefore, it was said, I am your Lord, so worship me. In short, Muslim community should make incessant and concerted endeavors to create such a kind of environment to establish unity and solidarity of the Muslim Ummah. And all Muslims should avoid discords and disputes which harm the unity and can be a cause to disintegrate and disunite the Muslims. It is regretful that we have divided ourselves on the lines of caste, creed, color, region and language. Until we hold fast the concept of Islamic brotherhood, we will never succeed to retain our past glory. By these words, I wind up my speech. وآخر دعوانا الحمد لله رب العالمين.